Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Her Sensei this side. Today I'm going to teach you about how to write and pronounce katakana na, ni, nu, ne and no. So let's get started with the video.
So our first alphabet today will be Na. So for Na, draw a sleeping line like this and then just drop a line like this. This becomes Na. Then for Ni, just simply draw two parallel lines like this. Our third alphabet is Nu. So draw a sleeping line followed by a drop down and then draw a simple cut. This becomes Nu. For Ne, draw a small line followed by a sleeping line and a drop down, then a standing line followed by a slanting line. This becomes Ne. The last alphabet today is No. For No, just draw a simple curved line like this.
So that is it for today guys. I hope you guys have understood what I have taught you today and you guys will practice, and the download link will all be in the description box below, and you can check me out on Twitter and Instagram, and check out my website and download my application. Whatever you want to do, just all the links will be down in the description box. Bye.